Hi there, let's take a look at how to fill out the SIR enumeration form online. First, we need to find the 2002 SIR electoral roll. To do that, visit your State Election Commission or Chief Electoral Officer website. In this example, I am using the CEO Kerala website. I will include the links shown in this video in the video description. Go to Voters Corner and click on SIR 2002. Choose the district, LAC and booth name. The booth name isn't mandatory, but selecting it helps filter the results more accurately. Enter the voter's name and click search. If your name isn't on the 2002 list, you can search using the name of a family member or relative. Once you find the relevant details, go to the voter service portal to fill and submit the SIR form. If you don't have an account, click sign up to create one. Otherwise, simply sign in. After logging in, under the Services section, click Fill Enumeration Form. Select your state, enter your voter ID number and click Search. The voter's details will appear. Now enter the mobile number linked to the voter ID and click Send OTP. If you are unsure which number is linked, you can enter any number. The system will display the last few digits of the actual linked number to which the OTP was sent. Enter the OTP and click Verify. Select the appropriate category and fill in the form using SIR 2002 information we retrieved earlier. If any checkbox applies to a case, make sure to select it and then click Continue. Fill out all mandatory fields and click Preview. Tick the confirmation checkbox to verify that the details are correct and click Submit. Next, the system will proceed to Aadhaar verification. Enter your Aadhaar number and click Get OTP. An OTP will be sent to the mobile number linked with your Aadhaar. Enter the OTP and click Submit. If all details match the records, you will see a confirmation that the form was submitted successfully. Otherwise, you will receive an error message and you may need to contact your BLO. If you have any questions, you can contact the ECI's official helpline at the toll-free number 1950. If you are new here, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching.